Whoa! What happened here?
Maybe we can clean together.
Let's clean up this big mess together, friends. Come on. That's okay. We can do it together.
There are toys everywhere. I can help too.
Cleaning is fun!
We're doing it together. Just the way I like it. Wow! You guys did an amazing job today.
We did it!
Woo! The room is so clean now.
Best cleanup ever!
High five!
We did it together!
Teamwork!
Let's go!